Let's prepare this delicious sauteed vegetable recipe. All of my ingredients are already prepared. Let's begin. Start off by adding 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, ensuring it spreads evenly in the pan. Add in 3 ounces of butternut squash, 0.80 ounces of onions and bell peppers, 4 ounces of mushrooms, and 3 ounces of zucchini. Going in with 1 teaspoon of thyme, onion powder, oregano, and sea salt, spread it evenly, and we want to mix to ensure every seasoning is evenly spread. Instead of adding oil, we can add 3 teaspoons of water, and if you do see your veggies sticking, you can add water by the teaspoons, and it is fine to use oil if you prefer, but the lesser the calories, the better. We will cover and let steam for a few seconds, and then remove lid and add in 0.50 ounce of watercress and stir in. Ensure to control the heat of your stove, monitor the dryness of your vegetables to have your water or oil set aside, and stir gently. And stir from the sides going into the center to avoid breakage of the stir fry. And this is the final look. Let us now plate. If you found this video helpful, consider to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Comment below how you like your veggies and what you normally season with. And I added some cherry tomatoes to give it some color and for a nice crunch. See you around.